Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are answering one of the most confusing beginner questions. Why does 2 plus 2 gives 22? And what on earth is type coercion? Don't worry, by the end of this video this will all make sense and you will avoid a bunch of common beginner bugs. Let's jump in. What are type conversion and coercion? JavaScript has two ways of changing data types. Type conversion, which is explicit. You change the type manually. So, for example, number 10 between double quotes is 10 as a number. String 25 is 25 as a string. Boolean 1 is true. This is intentional. You know exactly what you are doing. The second type is type coercion. This is implicit. JavaScript converts type automatically, behind the scenes. For example, 2 plus 2 as a string. JavaScript sees a string and decides, oh, we are doing a string operation. So it converts the number 2 to 2 as a string. The result is 22. This is why coercion feels weird. It happens even when you don't expect it. Now let's talk about the three operators that trigger coercion. First operator is the plus operator. Can be addition or concatenation. If one side is a string, the other gets converted into string. For example, 2 plus 2. It's 22. Hello plus 5. It's hello 5. Second operator is comparison operators, like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These convert values to numbers. So, for example, 5 as a string greater than 3. It's true. 10 as a string less than 2. It's false. The third operator is equality operator, the lose equality. This one is dangerous because it forces conversion. For example, 5 as a string equals to 5. This is true, even though they have different types. 0 equals to false. That's true. Empty string equals to 0. It's also true. We will look at safer alternatives in a minute. Now, let's check the biggest coercion traps. Trap number 1. Empty string becomes 0. For example, number for empty string is 0. Empty string equals 0. It's true. Trap number 2. True and false becomes numbers. Number true is 1 and number false is 0. Trap number 3. Null versus undefined. Null equals undefined, that's true. But null equals 0, that's false. It's confusing, yeah? Avoid lose equality and you will never worry about this. Now let's talk about safe alternative. The safer way to use equality is strict equality. Always use 3 equal signs. Why? Because it checks value and type. No word conversions, no silent surprises. For example, 5 as a string, 3 equal signs 5. It's false, which is good. 0, 3 equal signs or strict equal to false, it's false. Strict equality is your best friend as a beginner. But how to convert types on purpose? So, to convert to numbers, number 50, or you can use parse int or parse float. Parse int 50 pixel, parse float 3.14. To string, you can use string 99 or 99 to string. To boolean, you can use boolean hello. It's true. Boolean empty string It's false. Boolean 0 is false. Boolean 1 is true. Now the golden rule. Convert type yourself. Never rely on JavaScript to guess. And that's it for type conversion and coercion. Now you understand why 2 plus 2 becomes 22, why 2 equal signs is risky, and how to convert values safely and clearly. In the next video, we will continue leveling up your JavaScript foundation, step by step. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let's keep learning. Thank you.